there's one thing about chords, it's that they always pull back to the tonic. You've noticed that, right? This G7 always wants to pull back to C major. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, music theory can't tell me what to do. Look, this chord progression is in C major. But what if you said, shut up, C major, I don't want you to be the tonic. I want A minor to be the tonic. And to do that, I'm gonna take the dominant 7 chord from this new key of A minor. And then I'm gonna stick that dominant 7 chord right there to give the illusion that we've flipped keys. Ooh, can we do that for all the chords? Okay, so if we pretend we're in the key of F, my dominant 7 chord becomes a C7. Okay, key of G, D7. Let's hear it all together. This technique is called secondary dominance, and much like middle child syndrome, secondary dominants are related to the family, but they're never the center of attention for that long. It's like they're camouflaging within the key, or disrupting the key, depending on how abrasively you use them. Secondary dominants are just cosplaying. They're sometimes called borrowed chords because we are borrowing them from outside of the key signature. Secondary dominants are like, Mom said it's my turn on the Xbox. Except your song is the Xbox, and you're the mom.